In the 28 years that I was privileged to represent Mount Vernon, we were able to accomplish a number of things in this community. And although they were done on my watch, I would never use the word that I did them, because I didn't do them, except with the help of so many people who were the people who really did the job with me. And there has been nothing more satisfying for me than to have the opportunity to do that job, to do it, and then to have the satisfaction of your citizens being happy with whatever you've done.
So when you think about the best thing that we could have done to honor Gerry, it's to honor his legacy of human services work in the county, and to name this building after him is very fitting because people come into this building every day and they take advantage of services the county has that wouldn't exist if it weren't for Gerry Hyland's passion and years of service.